Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're playing Run. What kind of game are we playing? I don't know it.
What you play this game? Subway Surfers. Remember this game?
Yeah. Daddy always plays that game.
Yeah, I do?
Mom has like, wait, Jill has that game too?
So why don't you tell your friends what do you have to do in this game?
So we just have, we have to run to the police officer. If the police officer is like a dog, and then I'm doing the splits. So I'm not gonna die, but I'm a girl, right?
Yeah, so your whole point is to run and keep running and keep running and collect all the coins you want and not run into a train
or the police officer, or you're gonna die.
or you'll get caught
by a police officer.
Yeah, so like you can get boost, power-ups, and if you keep playing and level more, you could start off. Notice the top, it says times 30. You finish all your missions, you're gonna start off really high level.
If I get 5 stars, I will win.
So you can just keep running as long as you can without dying. And if you have skateboards, you could double tap on the skateboard.
Do I have skateboards?
Yeah, but we didn't have to use anything here. So if you have skateboards, you can run into something and you won't die just once. But if you have a bunch of skateboards, you could keep using them to keep staying alive.
And you can press on them?
Yeah, you double click on your phone.
Yes. And then you can
Yeah, the skateboard.
And then what else?
This is not a new game, but it's a pretty fun and addicting
But
game.
I haven't played that game.
You haven't played that game, huh?
Yeah, only Dad and Mom play that game.
Well, you play it a little bit.
Everybody has played that game, but
Yeah, a lot of people play it. It's a very popular game.
yeah, but I always die twice.
What do you mean twice?
I died twice from the police officer.
You only have one life in each of these.
Yeah, but I don't know how to play that game. I need to delete it.
What?
I need to delete that game.
So we're gonna make this gaming week. We're gonna do a bunch of gaming videos to show you guys what Lola and her daddy
It's
plays.
taking forever, right?
Right, look at, we're still running. Okay, look at, we got a magnet. So the magnet like helps you collect all the coins even if you're not
But that's
touching.
Daddy's character. That's your character, Daddy.
Yeah, and I got the shoes so I can jump super high.
Yeah. So we keep running.
Yeah, so you just have to keep running and
I'm
running.
kind of tired.
Are you?
Yeah.
It's late at night. Huh? What did you do today?
I went to go beach.
We went to go
And then,
beach.
but Tail got, but Daniel dumped a lot of sand on his face.
It's dead, huh?
Yeah, and he's starting to cry. Like he's
Not
asleep.
nice. But he's sleeping now, so he's
Yeah,
okay.
but he did it by accident.
Yeah?
Yeah. So we keep running. It's taking for a long time.
Yeah, if you keep watching our channel, Lola's channel, you're gonna see the video for the beach 2 coming up after we do gaming week this week. So we're gonna show you all the popular games.
Tomorrow we're gonna show you the beach.
Yeah, maybe later than tomorrow. We got some other gaming videos lined up. So your boys and girls will
But we
see.
have to do a ladybug one.
Which one?
The ladybug one.
Oh yeah, we're gonna do that one too. So we got a few games
That
going
looks like
on.
the same.
And we're gonna do some voiceover, do a little vlog.
Oh,
and
I
talk. Whoa. So there we died. And now we're gonna open up
We
some
got a mystery box.
mystery
I
boxes.
got what kind of color spray is that?
I don't know.
When I'm doing the flips.
Okay, so this is the game we played, and it's pretty fun. So you could download it for free.
We're opening.
We got some free coins.
I got how much money do I have?
So go let's say bye to your friends, and we're gonna find some other cool games to play. And
Bye. Thanks for watching our video. This is subscribing. Thumbs up. Click the bell button. See you later. Bye.
white, the color white, 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 white. Do you know what color this is? This is white. This is gray, the color gray,